are, yeah. We're on 33 Pleasantville Road, and well, no, we're not. We're across from Allen Road. We got a northbound train coming. Our favorite train. Going happy. Here they come. Take the left. Stay left. Yay! Recording. Thursday for Collins Road. That's it?
Tree videos. And there's Angry Birds. Are you sure it's got this?
It's Thursday the 25th, 2013.
Yep.
We saw It's Saturday, September 17th. Where are we at? We're here in Lebanon. There's a tower you had to climb up a ladder to get to.
You're heavy.
We're near light here. Here comes Thomas. Making steam.
Thomas! Over here!
Slow but surely he's coming. Right here.
See better. Come here, right here. There he is.
Slow.
Thomas Day. As I mentioned, it's car number 1. I'd say this thing's about maybe 80 feet long.
Chance to
We are getting on.
concepts because it's different. I think it handles better.
They can see where they've been and we can see where we're going. Hi Nathan, look at the camera. Look at the camera up here. There's the pictures of Caboose. Yay! Fire truck even showed up.
Yeah, she's like, what's missing from here?
We're rolling! Yay! Here we go. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Yay! Well, there's the van again. Oh, and lo and behold, there's the Rio again. We made it back to the home 20. And actually, we came back the interstate down 79 and now 70 to 158. That was pretty cool. But anyway, all went well. And had a lot of good responses on the truck. So I'm exhausted, but I'm tired. I'm glad to be home. Well, what you see before you is the fine ride we had for the Dayton trip for the truck show today, here on Saturday. There's the Cowboy International, of course, trailer, and there's Gina's nice little mobile. So we'll go elsewhere now. This is not exactly how I would want my Rio to be parked, but at least for now, that's the way it goes. So at least it's in a better place than what it was down in southern Ohio anyway. This is actually a pretty good shot of the old girl right there. Trees and the house in the background. So kind of this is what my home 20 looks like. Now I know that when I was growing up, we had vehicles in the big parking lot, but what can I say? But of course in the background we got a nice looking pick 'em up truck. Actually, he's still connected to the trailer, but I just wasn't able to. I just decided to park it back there, and that was it for now. I know you really wouldn't know it if I wouldn't point it out, but back there to the left of the cracker box was actually a tree, but the wind blew it over, so I had to cut the rest of it down and drag her out. But that's my cracker box. I sure don't know if this cracker box will ever be running anytime in the future. I don't know if maybe it'll be just a part truck, but who knows? Really, I'm just trying to use up all any extra space on this disc, but I put the pieces of wood in there in front of the cracker box simply because I had people shooting rifles at the farm behind us, and I kind of thought it would at least protect the cab somewhat anyway. And it looks like I may even have to prune a tree, or maybe cut a tree down in the future, because that tree has got quite a few dead limbs on it. And of course, now that technically the cracker box belongs to Sonny, it's one of those weird deals. I don't want it to come up in need of a new cab, so I'm gonna have to pull it out or something like that. But so anyway, and that is about it. Get a good view of the truck and the trailer together. Well, that's cool. Good shot. I sure don't know if this cracker box will ever be running anytime in the future. I don't know if maybe it'll be just a part truck. It's Thursday, May 23rd. We're at Flying J at Route 158. We like to come in here once in a while and just do a cruise around and see what all's around here. That's about a good amount of drivers here today. shame that Pilot bought out Flying J. At least. Maybe we'll sit here for a minute, watch trucks come and go. I'm not quite sure how much diesel is today. 375 and 405 for diesel. Alright. Can't really tell, but they've been doing construction here. They shut down part of the ramp, and on the southbound lanes have been closed, or at least on the other side, so it makes it a little tight there at times. And this morning we had an accident that involved several tractor trailers and a pickup truck, and the pickup truck lost. Just west of here, I can see the burn mark when I cross over another road. That's a good looking Freightliner. That crew out here filming a little bit ago. Oh, there he is. Sitting on the side. Good shot of it. Right along in there is where they had the accident this morning. Right up above 70 on York Road. Hot diggity dog. I'm southbound and down. Alright. Good looking trucks. Oh, KW International. Also in York Road, there's an old, it looks like an old Chevy, I think it is. And we'll get to meet him at a later time. Good looking car. Well, neither one of mine are KWs, but hey, there's no comparison. I like what I like. Hot diggity dog. Especially that one. Yeah, buddy. Well, this is Rio 51, also known as a transmission man. Over and out. Done. Have a great day. He's still going the same way I'm going. Woo! Just take that truck to my house now, come on. Well, I'm home, and I broke 70,000 miles on my truck today, but here we go. That 1953 model Rio seemed to have a different wheelbase, but probably not. So I'm looking at mine, and what can I say? I'm just really excited and thrilled. Got some ideas and stuff like that for it. And I know that this has a lot of potential, even though some people would not agree. Hey, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, eh? So here we are again. So anyway, I'm looking really forward to getting on this and getting things going and seeing what changes I can make. The inside doesn't look like a whole lot right now, but it's going to change, and definitely looking forward to it. I know it'll make a whole lot of changes, to say the least, but you know, hey, have to start somewhere, and One not now, one not here. That 53 had a different dash. It was more of a flat dash, and it kind of went in. And I think one of the other changes I noticed was that the doghouse seemed to be a little bit different, but maybe not. I think it didn't stick out as far as this one, but who knows? Still got potential. Yes. The speedometer or odometer shows 4,865 and 9. I'm sure it's at least 104,000. Who knows? But I don't think we have to worry about that part. So here it is. And this front of it. It's in pretty good shape. I saw a Rio hood in motion on that 53, and it was pretty good, to say the least. And let's see, mine does have a sort of like the drop axle there. I wasn't quite sure if that was the case or not. So it is a little bit dropped. The guy said he'd only seen straight axles, never seen one that was a little design like that. I'm like, well, mine has it. So it's pretty cool. Woohoo! So that's about all. And you never know what's going to happen. Know what I mean? So this is Rio 51, over and out. Have fun, enjoy. I used to climb up on this a whole lot when I was a young feller, and I probably rode on it a few times, I do believe. So, woohoo! Someday, maybe I'll ride on it again. But as for now, it's alright. So, I'm about out of disc space. There's my truck. And I sure like it. Woohoo, ta-ta.